to change the way you build sheds and woodworking projects? Do you want to learn the trick to start building amazing outdoor sheds and woodwork designs the fast and easy way? Ryan Henderson offers you a new way of building beautiful sheds easily through My Shed Plans. Henderson has been building wooden outdoor sheds for over 20 years now. My Shed Plans consists of step-by-step guides and detailed blueprints to your woodworking projects. This is the closest thing to hiring a full-time 24/7 carpenter to work on your projects that you'll ever find. Building a shed should be fun and enjoyable, not frustrating. You are most likely aware of the time and effort required to plan for a woodworking project. Have you ever spent hundreds or even thousands on your first shed project? Underestimated the time and energy required to complete it? Wanted to call it quits or start again because your measurements were all wrong? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then it's time to get My Shed Plans. My Shed Plans founder Ryan Henderson knows what he's talking about. He has wasted time and money at do-it-yourself stores, bought the wrong materials, took the wrong measurements, and took a total of 6 months to complete his first shed 18 years ago. He decided to change all that. My Shed Plans comes with hundreds of shed designs, plans, blueprints for the hobbyist and professional alike. New ideas for everything from small clock housings to an entire stable. Over 12,000 design projects and woodworking plans included for the avid woodworking fan. Tons of great shed plan projects to complete over the holiday or weekend with your family. Materials list provided so you'll know exactly what to buy. No more wasting money buying the wrong materials. All the planning done for you so you never have to worry when you start building your first shed. It doesn't matter what skill level you have, whether you've done this before or it's your first attempt. My Shed Plans will help you decide which shed project is best suited for you, how to execute it, and bring professional results every time. Even if you're born with 2 left hands, you don't have to be a certified carpenter or joiner to build your own shed. My Shed Plans guides you through your project every step of the way. Get My Shed Plans now for just $37 and get blueprints, schematics, detailed and intricate illustrations, and free bonuses worth over $497. Your purchase is also backed by a 100% money-back guarantee, and you can still keep your free bonus materials. So order the My Shed Plans now for a measly price of $37.